Albert direct deposit changes are completed by updating the bank account information connected to your paycheck, not by simply changing a setting inside the Albert app. By the end, you'll know how to switch your direct deposit for Albert, where to update your information, and what to check if your deposit is not appearing after the change. The first step is to review the direct deposit details connected to your Albert account. Open the Albert app and check your account information to make sure the details you are using for deposits are correct. A direct deposit switch usually starts with your employer or payroll provider. Your paycheck is sent based on the information your employer has on file, so you need to update your payment details through the system that processes your wages. Contact your employer's payroll department or open your company's payroll portal. Find the section for changing direct deposit information and enter the updated account details carefully. Confirm the change after submitting the request. After your employer processes the update, monitor your upcoming paycheck. A direct deposit change may not appear instantly because payroll systems often need time to apply new payment instructions. Check your Albert account after the next deposit is expected. If your deposit does not arrive in Albert, check 3 things. First, confirm that your employer approved the direct deposit update. Second, verify that the account information entered was correct. Third, review the Albert app for any account alerts or messages related to your deposit. Avoid removing old payment information before the new direct deposit is confirmed. Keeping your previous setup available during the transition can help you avoid confusion about where your paycheck was sent. If you are switching direct deposit for Albert, the process is straightforward. Confirm your Albert account details, update your employer payroll information, and verify that your next deposit reaches the correct account. The main points are simple. First, direct deposit changes are normally handled through your employer or payroll provider. Second, accurate account information prevents payment issues. Third, checking your first deposit after switching confirms that the update worked. Your next step is to open Albert, review your account details, and update your payroll information with your employer. If this guide helped you fix your direct deposit issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.